Gonzalez, and I am here right now at Eco and Green Choice International Incorporated office, and I'm gonna share to you our products. We have the Dayod International Emergency Life-Saving Bulb. We also have our Ferresti Beauty products, which is the facial wash, moisturizer, and facial mask. We have our Himalayan Salt All Charcoal. We have the shampoo and conditioner, and first time in the Philippines, you can see these products. And we have the Carpil, we have the Power Peel Plus, and also the Power Peel Plus Micro. So these are our products right now, but we have upcoming products that are made from Thailand, which we have the health and wellness. Right now we have the capsule, we have the coffee, and another upcoming products, more and more. So you need to join now for the start of 999 pesos only, and be a part of this company, be an affiliate, and share this business to many people, as many as you can. Thank you very much. See you on top.